Let's talk about criminal investigation. Today when a crime happens, it takes a few minutes for the police to arrive. And they often only get one point of view, and that's from the victim, or maybe a witness. It's hard to get a full picture from just one or two sources. And so the question is, what else do we know? Or what can we know? All around us, there is this vast well of social information. People are publicly posting data every second from a variety of sources. Now each piece of this info has location and personal information attached. That means the coordinates or place, but it also includes the web address of the source. If we know who posted it, then we could potentially contact that web address for further details. So with this information, can we get a social view of the crime? For instance, let's say we have a reported robbery at LA Fitness, South Center, Washington. Based on that crime scene information, can we find all the social media around it, spatially and temporally? Now with this information, we could potentially know a lot about the crime and who did it. Well, this is the idea that we developed this quarter. In order to do this, we leveraged Tweet-by-Beat to provide the data and Worldwide Telescope to display it. Tweet-by-Beat is a set of Twitter accounts that is maintained by the Seattle Police Department. Every incident that gets reported is summarized in a tweet just a few minutes after it is called in. Now each tweet contains data about the time, location, and the crime in the form of text. Our application can take these tweets and search nearby for other possibly relevant information. We then display this data on the globe using Microsoft's Worldwide Telescope. Now we can do this by using a library called Twitterizer, which communicates with the Twitter Streaming API. The Streaming API lets us say who or what we want to listen to, and it will forward all tweets that match that criteria to our application. Future work would be to also use Stream Insight, which has the capability to talk to a few social media providers. So here's a demo of our application running. Once we start the application, it will listen to a list of specified users. For this demo, we are only listening to one account. And here you can see that account about to make a tweet. So as soon as he enters that tweet, the Twitter Streaming API will forward that and all of its GPS-enabled data, if any, to our application. Our application then tells Worldwide Telescope to zoom in on the original tweet. Meanwhile, we are asking Twitter for all the tweets in a 1-mile radius in the last half an hour. As you can see, they have GPS locations and accompanying text, which is displayed when we hover over. You can see that it would be easy to extend this functionality to include pictures, videos, and possibly even user information. All of this giving back potentially very relevant information to the crime. Thanks for watching.